I'm Ryan, that's my wife Misty, and we love to travel. So we're converting this big white van into a tiny home on wheels so we can do more of what we love. We've done a lot of work, spent a lot of money, I've drank a lot of booze, and I've even grown this pretty terrible beard. I'm no carpenter,
Well, that looks like shit.
but I'm pretty proud of the work I've done so far. So grab a drink, watch me stumble through this process, and enjoy the show. Today is the start of what I believe will be the most complicated build of this project so far, and that is the kitchenette. I think I'm gonna do a lot less talking and a lot more thinking and building, because I gotta figure out how to get all of this in that tiny little area in a functional way. So let's get to it. Let's see how she fits into this equation. Not too bad. Not too bad at all, if I do say so myself. It's getting a little cramped in here. It's getting a little cramped. I think I'm gonna start building that. The way I want it is it to be mounted up here, kind of flush right here. That way, when we put the countertops on, when we want to use the stove, I can put the countertop on this end on a hinge, flip it over, boom, alcohol stove. But I don't know how to do that, so this is gonna be weird.
Now, I don't normally like getting up in the morning, but old Mr. Sun is shining down on me. So you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. Scream shit, move on. Throw your hands up, move on. It's all good. Today's your day. Time is filled with swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now, coming for it. I got some things.
All right, how will the grill fit? Ooh, like a little glove, that's how. Is she open? Oh, yeah. Honestly, this thing so far has come together much more easily and quickly than I really anticipated. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's getting pretty late, and I've been up since about 1 in the morning, so I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night, and I'm gonna get back to work tomorrow. I'll see you in the morning. Day 2, working on the kitchenette. I just realized I'm wearing the exact same clothes as yesterday. I did laundry last night, I'm not that gross. I've had too much coffee, I'm hyped, I'm pumped, let's get to work. I figured the next thing I should be focused on is the drawers. I'm gonna do a series of drawers right here. A big drawer down here, and then 2 smaller drawers going up. Maybe today will be just as successful of a day as yesterday. We'll find out. Ooh, buddy. We got a drawer. Honestly, these slides are becoming my least favorite thing in the world to deal with. They took longer to put together than the drawer itself. But we have one very functioning drawer. It sticks a little bit, rubs a little bit, but that's okay. 1 down, 2 to go. This was the moment I realized that I'm not great at making drawers,
and either soft close slides are annoying, or I'm just an idiot.
What is the problem? What is the issue here with you? So I got these little soft close slides. The only problem is, they're not working at all. Like, this is the back of the drawer. Look at this. This thing right here is supposed to be up, like that. Sort of like that one. And then when you close it, it's supposed to grab and slowly bring it in like that. But here's the issue. When you open it, they stay there. Don't mess with these things. These things are such a pain in the ass. I hate them. I absolutely hate them. Everything else has gone great, just buttery smooth. These things, they absolutely suck. Don't get them. All right, looks like I got it fixed. Turns out I needed to push this end in quite a bit. So it was user error. I'm a moron. Ignore me.
I think we just learned I'm an idiot.
You know, this thing is actually coming together much more smoothly than I anticipated. Much smoother than the couch so far, that's for sure. Everything just feels like it's taking forever because there's so much more detail in this than anything that I've built so far. And at the core of it, I only vaguely know what I'm doing. I started with the general idea and have just kind of puzzle pieced it together from there. But as of now, we have the drawers done, the doors done, countertops cut, and first coat of tongue oil on. So I've got to let that first coat cure, do a few more coats. I've got a few more things to take care of after that. And then of course some touch-up paint. And then after that I can put it all together and slap it in the van. So close, so close. Can't wait. Time for this week's big reveal. This thing has far exceeded our expectations. I guess not really, because it turned out pretty much exactly as the way we planned it. Either way, we absolutely love it and it's perfect for us. I'm pretty happy and excited with the way everything is turning out in this van, but this right here is what I'm most proud of. I do have to give a big thanks to my buddy Jason. He was the one that came over and made the awesome little leather handles for us. Thanks, my dude. We absolutely love those. Guys, we only have 2 more major projects in this thing before it's officially done and wrapped up. I may even be able to fit those into one video. I don't know, we'll see. But this thing is freaking sweet. That's where I'm gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Looking out to the stars wondrously.
Hey, if you want to see the actual step-by-step process I took in more detail, check the description below. Also, if you like this video, show me by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more content and to see me make more of an absolute fool of myself.
Stay up to the morning.